Hey everyone, today we're making quick and creamy broccoli pasta. What's not to love about warm and creamy pasta? So let's get straight to the recipe. Everyone's gonna love it. For this you need 2 3/4 cups of shell pasta, the small type like this. So we're just going to cook that according to package instructions with water and salt. So while the pasta is cooking, we can slice our broccoli. I have here a large head of broccoli. I'm just going to rinse this well and then slice it into uniform size florets. I'm not using the stem, we can use that in another stir fry. We only want the florets here. Try to keep the slices as uniform as possible. Steam the broccoli florets in the microwave with a 1/4 cup of water. So I'm just steaming them for 2 minutes. Keep this drained. Next we need some garlic. I have 3 large cloves of garlic here. We're just going to chop this roughly. We can set that aside as well. So my pasta's cooked perfectly till al dente here. We can drain the pasta and set this aside as well. I have 2 types of sauces for this pasta. One is 2 to 3 teaspoons of black pepper sauce. You can use homemade or store-bought. I will be adding a recipe for homemade black pepper sauce soon. And we also have 2 tablespoons of chipotle sauce. I'm using a mild chipotle sauce here. So now I have a frying pan, or you can use a large wok or pan. 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter both go in. To this we're going to add the chopped garlic and saute this briefly till it's nice and aromatic, but it hasn't changed color. To this we're going to add the steamed and drained broccoli. Now we want to just stir fry the broccoli with the garlic just a couple of minutes until it's nice and fried, but not too long. So that's about ready. At this time I'm going to open up 2 cans of cream of chicken, or if you prefer you can use cream of mushroom soup. I've set that aside. Once the broccoli is fried, we can add the black pepper sauce and just stir again briefly till the broccoli is nice and coated. Now we can add 1 can of the soup first and 1 can of water. Stir this well and bring it to a simmer. To this add the cooked pasta. Stir well and break up any lumps. So once all the lumps are broken down and it's mixed well, you can add a little bit more water and the next can of cream of chicken soup. Stir it again thoroughly. And now you just want to heat it through and let it simmer for a while, 1 or 2 minutes till the soup is cooked. Just simmer it briefly. Once the soup is cooked, we can add the chipotle sauce, 2 tablespoons I've added here. The chipotle sauce adds a wonderful aroma and flavor and a nice smoky touch to this pasta. Also a slight bit of tanginess. At the end we're going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of grated mozzarella cheese and just stir through till the cheese melts. Your creamy, delicious, warm broccoli pasta is ready. This is such a super simple, quick recipe for you to try. I hope you will try it and let me know if you do. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. I have so much more coming. Recipes from everywhere, recipes for everyone. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.